here, you know.
Nanti kita ada sesi lain.
Oh, see, ada sesi lain.
Introduction, okay?
My name is Carol. I am an online entrepreneur for the past 11 years now. I am an eBay power seller. I'm an eBay top rated seller. And I'm also an eBay trainer, certified by eBay. I also teach people how to use your PayPal. And I've been selling things like double-sided tape. You know what double-sided tape is? You take your poster on the wall. And safety pins, you know what safety pins? Kalau pada kuliah sini, you just safety pin it. Or gampin bayi, the pin. Yeah, the pin. I also sell ribbons. Ribbon bows. I buy in one big roll and then I make it into ribbon bows by hand. Not me, but my mom. I am not a super camera. Because of digital camera, I can snap the photo as many as I can delete it immediately, right? 10 years ago, I have to take many times, develop the photos and redo again. So that's very tough. That was 10 years ago. But now with digital camera, this is my camera that Joey is holding right now. Spend so much money right now just to spend this one. Okay? I used to have Casio, very small, compact like how you have now, for my pocket. But because the quality now is so, we need good quality photos for your website. You need a SLR or a semi-auto. It will be fine. I'm not a super high camera. Joey, can you go to the pack just now and get me the right cube box? I brought it just now. I will show you a magic show later. There are a lot of people take photographs. You won't believe. I explain to you as better as I can. He was taking a photograph of a kettle. Electric kettle. The electric kettle got reflection, right? Right? The reflection show his naked body. Can you imagine that? This is a true eBay photo. True eBay photo. He was selling his house and he was selling all the equipment in his house. So one of the equipment is the kettle. And whenever I do my workshop, I have to excuse because majority of my workshop people are Muslims. So I always have to excuse, minta mohon maaf, this picture I'm going to show you ada sikit-sikit obscene. So when we show that picture, it tells you that there are people who do not realize that the naked pictures are in the reflection. Okay? And also, when you take photograph, just now they were showing me, you are taking this photograph, you have this, you have this. You take this photograph, can you tell me what are you selling today? So you have to focus. We have one eBay user who was selling treadmill. You know what's a treadmill? You know, you go to gym, you go to this treadmill. Tapi dia punya treadmill kat rumah. Belakang rumah dia ada racket, ada picture, ada speaker, ada fireplace, you know, that kind of things. In online, you sell what you see. We buy what we see in your photograph. If your photograph ada banyak barang kat belakang, the buyer will tell you, Cik, I want this item. I expect you to send me the photo, the speaker, the bricks, the racket and bag, all to me. That's how eBay buyers are, from eBay experience. So you have to focus, take all this away. So I will show you later what tool I use to take my photograph. Not using, what you call it, not using floor, but now Joey bring me a little light cube box. You can get this in any photography, Photoshop. I wish I got a wireless mic. There you go. You can buy this online or you can buy this in a Photoshop. It looks like your car visor. You know your car, you open up the visor just to block the sunshade. Yeah? This one, when you open it up, okay, it turns out to be a box. Like your laundry bag from IKEA. See that? So what you do is, you get a background. It comes with red, blue, white, black. Give me a black. I would like to take a photo of this. How many I put here? Hopefully you can stand. Oh, cool. Now, you want to take this photo one is tutu is from Eva. I borrowed from her. This is a black cover. Behind there is Velcro. You know what's Velcro? You know your shoe, the stick thing. You put behind. I don't want to climb inside. Put behind. Put your product and take a photo. This is the most cheapest way for you to take photograph compared to you using a table or the floor. There are a lot of people selling baju t-shirt. They put it on the floor. Do you want to buy kalau floor dia ada kapet, ada kucing, ada anjing dia dulu? You won't, right? Americans hate pet-free pet house. So what you do is you're going to demo one. You do your box like this, put your lights, go and get from IKEA, and take a photo like this. The photo will turn out very, very good. You can try to take your photo from here. They are smaller box. This is a bigger one. They are much more bigger one. The smaller one, I cannot go in. This one, I can go in. I can maneuver my body when I take photograph. Okay? This is a light cube box. It prices about 60 to 120 ringgit if you were to buy online. Just get your lights and put it on the table. That's how I take my photograph. That's why I said I wish I can show you some of the examples, but I cannot. So once you finish, you have to lipat balik. This is like a magic show by Carol Copperfield. That's it. You can bring any way you want to your studio, to your friend's house, to your customer's house. That's how you do your photography. And if you want to take baju, take it on the wall, letak kain putih belakang atau kain hitam ke belakang. You have to put a hanger. If you got models, lagi bagus. I'm seeing a lot of products here, the bags, especially this tutu. This one. Eva, how do you advertise this? With her baby, her newborn baby. You pakai lah you punya border sendiri. So that's how she use it. But she still needs to practice a lot. So thank God of technology. And can I say about Nina? No. The good news is because Gorgeous Geek is working with SME Corp, our Gorgeous Geek booth, which is manned by Jolene, I am giving a 6 weeks online coaching program for business owners, not business owners staff, but business owners must come and commit 6 weeks with me. I'll coach you how to put your product online, whether it's eBay, whether it's your website, whether it's your Facebook, whether it's Etsy, whether it's eCreator, whether it's iOffer. I will help you put it up on the international platform, and this is completely sponsored by SME Corp and Pemandu. We are only selecting 30 qualified Malaysian companies to participate in this coaching program. I am not cakap olok-olok, okay? I am very serious. I've been in the business for 11 years now, and I teach a lot of Malaysians how to sell online, how to take pictures, how to watermark your pictures, how to edit your pictures so that your picture sells. So this coaching will also teach you how to market your products on Facebook, how to market your products on your email or on your website. So please go and register. We are only picking 30 companies only.